But it doesn't end here. It actually just starts here. We have plenty of properties for this container we have as our display flex parent. One of them is flex direction. It can either be in rows or columns. As you see, the default value to it is rows. But if we set it to columns, this is what will happen. So they will take an entire column, an entire row, and they will be arranged into multiple rows in a column direction. Or we can set it to row, which will be back to default, how it looks like by default. The video you just watched is a part of the Takeoff College, the smartest alternative currently available for the traditional education. If you are looking for improving your real-world skills with project-oriented courses, or if you are looking to increase the value of your time on a daily basis as either an employee or a business owner, for over 15 courses bundle, plus our over 50 upcoming courses and all the updates, plus individual certificates of completion for each course, obtain your lifetime access today, paying our one-time fee with a great discount inside www.thetakeoffcollege.com. Learn more in order to earn more. It's always been like that. See you inside the program.